Need an avatar fast, but don't have time to model one from scratch? No worries. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a unique avatar in just 3 minutes using AI, no advanced skills required. First, open ChatGPT and enter a simple prompt to generate an avatar. Within seconds, an image will be ready for download. Once you have it, head over to Microsoft's AI tool, link in the description, upload the image, and hit Generate. The tool will process everything automatically and produce a 3D rendering video almost instantly. Now, to get your fully usable 3D model, click Extract GLB and wait a few moments. Boom! You now have a 3D avatar ready to go. To refine or customize it, simply import the GLB file into Blender and start editing. There might be some minor issues, like imperfections with the shoes or textures, but don't worry, these can be easily fixed. Switch to viewport mode, and you'll see your character fully textured and ready for further adjustments. And that's it. A quick and effortless way to generate a 3D avatar using AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and join my Discord community for more tips. Bye.